Overseas Pakistani professional community organized the Pakistan Engineering and Management Conference in East London. Researchers and practitioners from different branches of industrial engineering and engineering management from around the UK participated in this conference. The Senior Principal Engineer UK Yusuf Yusufi, the Construction Director of SBH Construction Group Sardar Saqib Bashir, Professor Salma Hassan and Pacific Business Solutions Director Jahanzeb Sham were the key speakers. At the end of the conference, 15 successful people were awarded certificates who achieved the highest skills in this industry. Speaking to Chalta TV, the organizers said that there are always good opportunities for Pakistani people.
Friends here in our office, and this is all about construction and engineering industry. The message is for the young Pakistani people and Asian people who wants to come into the construction industry. There are lots of short courses they can do and start their career in construction industry. SMS TS course and supervisor course and CSCS course. And today lots of our friends, they have completed their course and they've been awarded certificate. So once again, if you are willing to work in the construction industry, complete your course and you can contact us, we can help you in that.
We organize this event on behalf of Pakistan Engineering Council. We raise awareness for the Pakistani student, Pakistani overseas community that they can come in construction industry. They can join engineering and construction because this is a growing business and this is the time that our youngster can come. They can get education in this field because most of our youngsters are doing business management and other courses, but this is vibrant field and this field is growing. And I'm hoping and I'm wishing best of luck for the new 15 managers or first batch, and I wish them best of luck, and they will promote our community or Pakistani community, and they will give a good achievement in construction industry from Pakistani community.
This conference is to bring awareness to the Pakistanis that are looking for a job, and we're here to tell them what they need, the tools they need to have to be able to get this job. Most importantly, the two paths that they need to follow, either through acquiring knowledge or through being a trainee. So these two paths can lead them into getting a job.